Hello my esteemed viewers, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to the tutorials. Today we'll be looking at how you can make money from bybit account without trading and also without investment. So all you just need to do is to make sure you have a verified bybit account and navigate yourself to your bybit dashboard. If you do not have an account, I'll drop a referral link at the descriptive section of this very video so that you can use it to sign up and start following up to make some of those free funds we're making. Okay, yesterday I made a video about how I got 10 USD free from bybit just by performing a simple task. So today I will show you a simple task that you can perform on bybit and you can get rewarded without trading or without investment. Okay, all you just need to do is to perform a simple task. So before I dive into that, if this is your first time coming across to this amazing channel, do well to subscribe, like my videos, and as well share my videos so that it can go viral and a lot of people can benefit from it. Okay, so the next thing that you just need to do is to come to this mall. Come to this mall to click and locate. No, don't click on the mall. Come to this reward hub. Sorry, go to reward hub. If you go to reward hub, whatever is latest for you, you can find it there. Okay, so click on the reward hub. This very activities is highly very simple. All you just need to do is to do it with one mind. You can see like right now, my reward hop is 3. Okay, now look at it. Look at what I have here. Look at what I have here. So one thing you just need to do is to come to this very place. This one is going to be a refer program. Okay, invite to qualify referee. Okay, if you invite 2 qualified referee, 1000 USDT worth position airdrop will be given to you. Okay, you get a 1000 USDT airdrop. Okay, so all you just need to do is to indulge in this simple one. This one is simple. You can just go about to invite your 2 friends and see when the activity is over, you will be rewarded. Okay, the activity will last for like 9 days, 5 hours. This is it. These very activities will last for 9 days, 5 hours. So do not actually waste time. Go quickly and start referring your friends in order to meet up this reward. And the second one said, invite 10 qualified referee. Okay, invite what? 10 qualified referees. So this one is much sure. If you can do, it's a very big thing for you and you can get a reward of 5,000. Okay, you get a reward of 5,000 positions airdrop, right? So all you just need to do is to make a choice which one you're doing, which one you're starting. But I advise you start the first one first so that you can easily be rewarded and you can easily meet up your targets. Okay. So on this ground, I will drop my own referral link at the descriptive section of this very video. Please use it to sign up or you help me share for others to sign up. Okay. So let's open it and see what exactly is holding. Okay. Looking at it from the top here, it says this tax will expire in 1 day, 0 hours. Complete it now to lock in your reward. Okay. Oh, this one is only 1 day left. Okay. It says invite 2 qualified referee. Valid from this time, August 2nd. Oh, this has been going on. August 2nd, 6th, until what? August 12th. And today is what? Today is 11. To August 12th. You can still meet up, but just try do it within the time range. The tax says, let's look at the tax detail before in any other thing. Let's look at the tax detail. It says unqualified referee is a new Bybit user who have deposited a minimum of 100 USD and traded at least 500 in volume within 7 days of signing up. Okay. 2. Spot trading does not include the trading pairs with zero fees. Okay. All you just need to do, if you have, you need to get a user that's deposited 100 USDT. This is the task now. This is the main task. That deposited 100 USDT and at least traded 500 in volume with 7 days of after 7 days within the 7 days of signing up. Okay, look at it. Yeah, look at it here. Look at it there. So all you just need to do here, how can you be able to trade with 500 USD? All right, it's very simple. If you deposit like 100 USDT, all you just need to do is to you just deposit 100 USDT. If you deposit 100 USDT, then you just need to trade what is it called? You just need to trade derivatives, that is future trading with it. So if you come to future trading, you're gonna go into take some of us that know I'll definitely make a video in the nearest time about this future trading of a thing. So if you come to future trading, you can make your $100 to even 1,000 to even 1,000 by what? By adding leverage. It's what we call leverage. They'll borrow you 500 or 900 to add to your own. Then on this occasion, you can now be qualified for this. All right. So just start now before the time expired and make a lot of profit for yourself. Okay. So this brings me to the end of this very video. I'll be dropping my description my referral link. Please use it to sign up. This brings me to the end of this very video. If you do have any question, please do what to subscribe to ask your question. Do not worry, ask your question and I will get it to you ASAP. Thank you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.